I remember that from my last question, my last visit.
3,623 samples. And what we do, this is a cooling module. The sample is encased in a stainless steel cassette, and that cassette has a barcode that's visible on this face. We slide it into this module, and that's the last time that the technician does anything with it. It's put into the top of bioarchive. What you'll see is that it makes connection between its onboard computers in the module and the computer in the bioarchive. What will happen is that in the bioarchive, it'll shine a laser temperature probe beam into the sample to measure the temperature as it goes through a controlled cool. And this is a small fan, and it wafts the liquid nitrogen vapor gently over the sample at a controlled rate, which is established by the computer, so that you gradually go from room temperature to minus 56 according to the vendor's validated cooling curve. If you do that, you're guaranteed that the cells will not rupture and that they're safely through that very fragile temperature range. What you'll see is that as soon as this is engaged, bioarchive will lift the robotic assembly until it does a scan of the barcode. There'll be an individual here who will verify that the sample that they're storing and the name and the barcode ID are identical. And once the operator has confirmed the identity, everything else is done automatically by the bioarchive. It takes the sample out of the cassette and allows that to, now it's looking for the registry point. It'll go find the identified location for that sample, and it'll place that sample on the thimble, lock it in place. Hi, Mike.
So,
Where do you hide my cassettes?
oh, it's you.
Yeah.
It's one right here. It's in the demo box.
Oh, it's in the demo. That's the demo box?
Oh,
Okay.
good place for it.
Does not say demo box.
This is Mike.
Hi, nice to
I'm
meet you.
Shereen, how are you?
Hi. How
Hi,
are you?
Mike, I'm Jill.
Hi,
Good.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So here.
Right. And this is what the sample looks like. This is overwrapped in Teflon. This stainless steel cassette does two things. Obviously, it also protects the sample.
Excuse me, back up for 1 second. That's the blood, that's a sample that, like, that would be blood?
This is your stem cells. This
Yeah,
is what
that's just colored water, but that would be blood.
this is fake, but this is
Okay.
basically your stem cells in plasma with a tinge of red blood cells. So this is 90, we've recovered 98% of your stem cells and all of your mononucleated cells with the efficiency or the AXP module. Now our entire purpose here is to allow good heat transfer. So this is not just pretty, it's safe, but because it's stainless steel, in the environment of liquid nitrogen vapor, the cooling is very uniform. That's why it's narrow. And the sample is just touching on all surfaces the stainless steel cassette. So this actually fits in like this. And so this is the barcode that it's reading when it's going through the processing. So because this is so sophisticated, once Mike does that, he doesn't touch